At Big City Plumbing LLC, our goal is to be your trusted plumbers in San Antonio, Texas. To that end, our drain cleaners and repairmen are proud to be able to provide our customers with a comprehensive range of 24/7 plumbing services, as well as benefits that make doing business with us hassle-free and as straightforward as possible. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say about us. Marilynn Glasscock says, "They were prompt and very professional. Took care of the burst pipe in less than an hour and re-wrapped everything. I highly recommend them." Gutierrez says, "Chris and his apprentice were completely dedicated to perform repair, extremely professional, ran into a lot of obstacles but pursued to finish task. Great looking repair. 100% satisfied customer. We're committed to providing your property the plumbing service it needs, when it's needed, and at an affordable rate. Call us today to schedule an appointment."